Writing sets. There are two methods of writing sets. 1. Listing method or roster method. In this method, we write all the elements of a set in curly brackets. Each of the elements is written only once and separated by commas. The order of an element is not important, but it is necessary to write all the elements of the set. Example: the set of odd numbers between 1 to 10 can be written as A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9 all in curly brackets, or A is equal to 7, 3, 5, 9 all in curly brackets. If an element comes more than once, then it is necessary to write that element only once. Let's take an example. In the word remember, the letters R, M, E are repeated more than once. So, the set of letters of this word is written as A is equal to R, E, M, B all in curly brackets. 2. Rule method or set builder form. In this method, we do not write the list of elements but write the general element using variable followed by a vertical line or colon and write the property of the variable. Example: A is equal to open curly bracket X vertical line X belongs to N. 1 is smaller than X, which is smaller than 10, close curly bracket, and read as set A is the set of all X such that X is a natural number between 1 and 10. Another example: B is equal to curly bracket open X vertical line X is a prime number between 1 and 10, close curly bracket. Set B contains all the prime numbers between 1 and 10. So, by using listing method, set B can be written as B is equal to open curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7, close curly bracket. Q is the set of rational numbers which can be written in set builder form as Q is equal to curly bracket open P upon Q vertical line P. Q belongs to I. Q is not equal to 0, close curly bracket, and read as Q is a set of all numbers in the form of P upon Q, such that P and Q are integers, where Q is a non-zero number. Illustrations. In the following examples, each set is written in both the methods: rule method or set builder form. A is a set of X such that X is a letter of the word division. B is a set of Y such that Y is a number where Y square is equal to 9. C is a set of Z such that Z is a multiple of 5 and is less than 30. Listing method or roster method. A is equal to curly bracket open D, I, V, S, O, N, curly bracket close. B is equal to curly bracket open -3, 3, curly bracket close. C is equal to curly bracket open 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, curly bracket close. Example: fill in the blanks given in the following table. Listing or roster method. A is equal to curly bracket open 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, curly bracket close. Rule method. A is a set of x such that x is an even natural number less than 15. Listing or roster method. B is equal to curly bracket open 1, 4, 9, 16, curly bracket close. Rule method. B is a set of x where x is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. Listing or roster method. C is equal to curly bracket open A, E, I, O, U, curly bracket close. Rule method. C is a set of x such that x is a vowel of English grammar. Listing or roster method. D is equal to curly bracket open violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, curly bracket close. Rule method. D is a set of y where y is a color in the rainbow. Listing or roster method. P is equal to curly bracket open -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, curly bracket close. Rule method. P is a set of x such that x is an integer and -3 is lesser than x and x is lesser than 3. Listing or roster method. M is equal to curly bracket open 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and so on, curly bracket close. Rule method. M is a set of x such that x is a cube of natural number. Practice set 1.1. 1. Write the following sets in roster form. 1. Set of even numbers. Answer. A is equal to curly bracket open 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, curly bracket close. 3. Set of negative integers. Answer. B is equal to curly bracket open -1, -2, -3 and so on, curly bracket close. 2. Write the following symbolic statements in words. 1. 4/3 belongs to Q. Answer. 4/3 is an element of set Q. 3. P is equal to curly bracket open P vertical 9. P is an odd number, curly bracket close. Answer. Set P is a set of all P's such that P is an odd number. 4. Write the following sets using listing method. 2. Letters in the word complement. Answer. A is equal to curly bracket open, C, E, L, M, N, O, P, T, curly bracket close. 4. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. Answer: B is equal to curly bracket open 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, curly bracket close. 5. Write the following sets using rule method. 2. B is equal to curly bracket open 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, curly bracket close. Answer: B is a set of x such that x is equal to 6n, where n is a natural number and it is smaller than 9. 4. D is equal to curly bracket open Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, curly bracket close. Answer: D is a set of Z such that Z is a day of the week.